The following message is transmitted at the request of the Phoenix Police Department. At approximately 5:30 a.m. Central Standard Time, there have been reports of a hideous-looking creature roaming at long-grassed areas in large neighborhoods. It is unknown what this creature is, but it has been reported that this creature is 7 feet tall. If you see this creature, notify the police immediately. Tune into news station for more personal information. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Phoenix Police Department. There have been reports that the strange creature that was seen 2 days ago has broken into people's homes and used its electric hands to electrocute the victim it sees. It is important that you lock all your doors and windows. If you see this creature, dial 911 immediately. If this creature breaks into your home, use armed protection at all costs. Tune into news stations for more information. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Phoenix Police Department. The strange creature with the electric hands has been identified. It is a 7-foot-tall man who is severely burned, but has its face covered in grey bandages, and also has grey hands with long black sharp fingernails on it, black shoes, a black tie, a long grey and white shirt, long grey pants, and one eye that glows red. If you see this creature, dial 911 immediately. Tune into news stations for more information. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Phoenix Police Department. The city of Phoenix is under attack by the 7-foot-tall creature with the electric hands. The creature has the ability to shock 5 people at once. Police is desperately trying to kill this creature, but the creature is too strong to be killed. All residents of Phoenix is strongly advised to take shelter immediately and use armed protection as possible if this creature breaks into your home. Stay tuned for more info. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Phoenix Police Department. The 7-foot-tall creature with the electric hands has successfully been killed by a flamethrower. This creature has been identified to be the Boogieman, and it has been confirmed that he is a teacher that has been killed by lightning and has a growth disorder. All residents, it is now safe to leave your homes. We will now return to regular programming.
A darker world, filled with nightmares. Come there with me. I will not return empty-handed.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Austin Police Department. At approximately 4 a.m. Central Standard Time, an unknown brown-looking creature has been spotted roaming the Boggy Creek farm. It is unknown who this creature is, but it has been reported that the creature is 8 feet tall. If you see this creature, do not approach it and call 911. Tune into news stations for more information about this creature. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Austin Police Department. It has been reported that the unknown brown creature has been killing people that went into random forests, farms, and lived in homes far from other homes in faraway house neighborhoods. The creature has been reported to tear off the person's whole body with its long sharp finger and then eats the whole body. It is strongly advised you should lock all your doors and windows. Tune into news stations for more info. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Austin Police Department. The brown creature with the sharp fingers has been fully identified. He is an 8-foot-tall tree monster with a long dark green hoodie, a dark green shirt with a tie tied around it, long dark green pants, long sharp tree-like hands with sharp fingers, and long tree branch-like feet. The creature is still at large, attacking everyone it sees. Make sure to stay in your homes as this creature is extremely dangerous. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Austin Police Department. The city of Austin is under attack by the brown creature with the sharp fingers. The creature is stomping fast like a giant and is catching its victims with its long arms and catches to the max of 10 people and eats them with its mouth that stretches so wide it's like a pizza box. Use armed protection as necessary if this creature comes after you. Tune into news stations for more information. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Austin Police Department. The tree monster with the sharp fingers and large mouth has successfully been killed by a large strong chainsaw. This creature has been confirmed to be Nightmare Harvester, and it has been revealed that an accident with a scientist caused him to come to life and cause mass damage. All residents, it is now safe to leave your homes. We will now return back to regular programming.
I can smell the death on you. You won't be long now.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Los Angeles Police Department. Citizens, lock all your doors and windows immediately. The demon known as the Harbinger of Hell has risen from hell and is using his long stick with a skull on it to light people on fire or sometimes even stab them. This is not a test. All churches in Los Angeles are trying to figure out how to kill this demon. Stay tuned to news stations for more information. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Los Angeles Police Department. It has been confirmed that 30 more people have been killed by the Harbinger of Hell. Not only that, 3 homes have been caught on fire. The Federal Bureau of Investigation is teaming up with the churches of Los Angeles to fight this demon. Do not approach this demon as you will be killed too. Tune into news stations for more information. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Los Angeles Police Department. This is an immediate evacuation. The Harbinger of Hell has started a forest fire. The Los Angeles Fire Department is trying to put out the fire. All residents are strongly advised to leave their homes. This is an extremely dangerous situation. Tune into news stations for more information. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Los Angeles Police Department. The city of Los Angeles is in extreme danger. The Harbinger of Hell is killing people by setting them on fire along with setting buildings on fire. All residents of the city of Los Angeles is strongly advised to take shelter immediately. The police and the churches of Los Angeles is trying to kill this demon. Anyone far away from this city is strongly advised to evacuate now. Tune into news for more info. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Los Angeles Police Department. All clear. I repeat, all clear. The Harbinger of Hell has been successfully extinguished by 10 buckets of holy water. All of the fire has now magically vanished. All residents, it is now safe to return to your homes. We will now return to regular programming.